Ito ang ating dinner, simple but healthy. Ang dinner natin is pasta. Ito si pasta ang favorito ng asawa ko. And meron tayong chicken dito. Isang breast lang siya guys dahil ako lang at asawa ko kakain ngayong gabi. I-marinate mo siya ng garlic salt. Sa ating vegetable naman, meron tayong broccoli, meron tayong tomatoes, bell pepper, and onions. Siya ang ating ingredients sa ating gulay ngayong gabi. Pasta with chicken plus veggies. Simpleng dinner lang tayo ngayon. Well, always simple naman tayo. Vegetable and chicken breast. Ayan siya. A little bit healthy ang dinner natin ngayon. Saute the onion. If meron kayong garlic, okay, go ahead. Lagyan ninyo ng garlic. Ako kasi, ito lang onion dahil lockdown. Wala pa kami naka-order ng mga pagkain. So, ito simple lang siya. And add your marinated chicken. Kung marami kayong chicken dyan, may paa kayo, may pako, may mga gizzard, ayan, ihalo ninyo dyan dahil masarap ito siya. So, sa akin, since ito lang ang meat ko, isang breast lang, okay na siya dahil kami lang namang dalawa ng asawa ko kakain ngayong hapon. Sa ating chicken, iluto mo siya ng 10 minutes. Tamang-tama na yan dahil maliliit naman ang slice. Don't overcook your vegetables. Huwag kayong maartihan sa akin mag-English guys dahil I have followers na mga English din. Pamilya ko sa side ng asawa ko dito, mga mga American. So, pa-English ako. I tried, maski nag-struggle. Pero huwag kayong maartihan dahil syempre, hindi lahat mga Filipino ang followers natin, di ba? I hope you understand. Sorry. Okay, and then we will add ground pepper. Ayan siya. And kung anong seasoning gusto niyo, I add chicken cubes, soy sauce, and oyster sauce sa ating seasoning. Now, let's add our pasta. Since luto na siya guys, i-stir mo lang ng mga 1 minute. Tama na siya. And then add your seasoning. Kasarap ng aking dinner ngayon. Ayan siya. Simple lang siya guys. Siguro nasa 300 calorie lang siya. I will let you know kung ilang calorie ito. So this is our dinner for today. It's like a pasta with vegetable and chicken. So this is good and healthy. Do you like pepperoncini? I like pepperoncini. So we have here pasta, chicken with vegetables. I have this broccoli. It's just a simple dinner. So guys, this afternoon we made this frappuccino. We made dalgona. So okay, this is dalgona coffee. So this dalgona coffee, guys, this is frappuccino with ice, milk, and dalgona coffee. That makes it frappuccino. If mocha dalgona, ang ilagay natin is may chocolate siya. And ice, milk, and dalgona coffee. If mocha crumble cookie, yes, I remember. It's a crumble cookie. This is with ice, milk, crumble cookie, plus chocolate syrup and dalgona coffee. That makes it a crumble cookie dalgona. Made it at home. I don't need to go to Starbucks. I can save money. The only thing is, if you have to choose your right instant coffee. So dalgona, guys, is about instant coffee. So choose your instant coffee. This coffee is even from London. I bought from London. And this is the last half cup that I got. So I make it into dalgona coffee this afternoon. So it's so fruity and very, very thick. So I just have a scoop of dalgona coffee here. It's so good. But if you want more, it's like a double shot, so make it a lot. So that's our dalgona coffee for today. We bought this grapes, matamis siya. So I finally tried dalgona coffee. So ayan siya, masarap siya. So depende, guys, if you want 100% milk, 100% milk. If you want 1%, 100% milk. Okay guys, so nakagawa na ako ng dalgona coffee. So if you want a coffee na soy milk, so that's good. Or 1% milk or skim milk. Ang dalgona is about instant coffee. 1:1:1. So 1% of coffee, 1 coffee or whatever, 1 teaspoon, 1 cup, half cup, whatever there, basta 1:1:1. So 1 instant coffee, 1 sugar, and 1 warm milk or boiling hot milk, hot water. So yeah, 1 coffee, 1 sugar, and 1 milk. So ayan siya, dalgona coffee. So ngayon, rainy season, so I decided, magawa kaya ako ng dalgona. So I researched, naghanap ako ng mga ano yung mixture sa mga frappuccino or coffee, iced coffee, mocha or latte or macchiato, di ba? So may chai pa, wala akong chai. Next time, gagawa tayo ng chai.